Let me show you how to open up your K12 wireless speaker karaoke machine. At the end I will also show how to open up the microphone as well. First we need to actually get off this plate, so simply take a flat screwdriver, and we're simply going to jam it somewhere basically over here, so inside the gap here, and gently try to lift this cover essentially. So lift it basically from various places, and gently lift it. So we have a bit of glue here as well that holds it in place, and we have 4 Phillips screws over here.
Drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
And be careful when you handle this, as I accidentally just tore it off, so no big deal, we can solder it back on. And also we have the battery inside. As you see, we actually have a bit of glue, so to get it out we simply have to use a bit of force essentially, and as you see it's quite sticky, so with the glue, and there are no indication on the battery of the capacity. So again, be careful. As you see, basically this isn't soldered properly on, and again, if you have some problems, again check all the solder joints. As you see, they basically come off very easily on this unit. So, and to take out this part, there are actually more screws, essentially one over here and one over here. And after removing those 2 screws, if you actually want to get any further and remove the control board, you will actually have to deal with this double-sided glue pad essentially. So those suckers have actually put on like glue pad instead of the extra screws. So again, this will be a hassle to actually fish it out essentially. I do not want any go further because this speaker is very good. I will solder back this stuff and will continue using. Again, if you want to go further, you will have a bit of struggle here. And to take apart the microphone, we can simply unscrew this top. We have this microphone capsule over here. So this is essentially what it looks like, and to take it apart, observe where you have these lines and simply like squeeze to get like tiny access, and we can use kind of fingernail to pry it apart. Also maybe we can use a spudger like this to get in and to pry it apart, and then it simply comes apart. Also on the bottom we have like a clip essentially that holds it together, so kind of be careful on the bottom, and essentially this is what it looks like inside. We have the control board. Also check those connections again if they're properly attached, and we can even take out the battery on this one. So the capacity of this one, so we actually have a rating here. So, and the rating is 300 milliamp hour, so 14500 basically model. So probably, yeah, good enough capacity for a microphone, I guess. And overall, I can still highly suggest this speaker because the sound quality is very decent on it. Also, the battery life also was very decent. So the internal battery, even though it didn't really had any markings, basically when you check the weight of it, it felt very heavy. So again, the capacity is very good, and runtime also, from my experience, was very decent. By the way, also I have partnered with AliExpress, so if you actually want to get insane deal on this set, essentially, if you are a new user on AliExpress, you can essentially get this for like $1 with free shipping essentially. So for this like model with one microphone, if you want to get a double microphone, so it's like maybe $2. So again, simply check the link in description and comments. I'll leave this exact link where you need to go to get this deal. So again, this is only for new users. If you are existing user on AliExpress, still this link will also provide you very good like price. but it will cost maybe like $7 or $8 depending on how many microphones you get. Anyway, good luck.